Hello, Josh 33025 here. This is a quick tip on what's an easier way to put in fuel lines and take you a small gauge solid copper wire, bend the hook on the end of it, and sharpen the point. And this is so that you can put it through the hole you're going to put the fuel line in and fish it out the hole. And then you're going to hook this end to the tubing. Fish the wire into your hole. Might have to take something else to fish the wire out. Put the fuel tubing on the end of it about an 1/8 inch down it, and then bend it back over. And all you gotta do is just pull it through. And there you have it. If you got any questions, comments, please leave them below. Thank you.